Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited with the 5.7 liter HEMI. Yes, I finally get to drive one of these. I've driven actually this gen of SRT 8 and it was a riot, but I've been dying to try a 5.7 Grand Cherokee. They are next to impossible to find, and I finally found one in the first gen, the pre-facelift, which is cool because I haven't driven one of these either. Actually, my mother owns a 2011 Durango, so I've driven the platform a good amount of times. What in the hell? Where'd that come from? Where did that come from? Like, what? Okay. Oh yeah. Where'd that come from? Like, that light's still there. None of these lights. What? If you buy that car, you get a free light. All right, T-handle shifter. Do have your backup camera. Into drive, a couple different drive modes: sand, mud, rock, auto, snow, sport, the good one, panoramic sunroof. This one is a 2012, 122,000 miles on it, but still drives great. Oh, 5.7 noises are great. Who doesn't love V8 noises? Oh, that is great. Every Grand Cherokee needs a 5.7. That's end of story. Wow. That's a game changer. This is a perfect middle child between the craziness that is the SRT8, well now the Trackhawk, and the entry-level Grand Cherokee. This is perfect. This is a perfect middle ground. Wow. Now, if you want to start getting crazy, I know these 5.7s can handle forced induction better than the 6.4. I know that because I have a 6.4. And 6.4s can't handle more than 5 psi of forced induction without being in danger of blowing up. 5.7s, however, I know there's a lot of supercharger kits and all that you can put on these. Now that, in this form, this is a great little sleeper. Well, not little, it's a big car. But it's a great sleeper. You could probably smoke some pretty impressive cars off the stoplight. But once you put a supercharger in one of these, you have something that will surprise even SRT8s. You might even give a trail or a Trackhawk a run for its money. As far as I'm aware, this is stock, bone stock. But boy, does it sound good. It's got true dual exhaust. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.